this is the last one. So this is a beef soup, okay? Beef soup. It's better to eat them while the food is hot.
I know.
Here. So, enjoy. Thank you.
Papa.
So, only rice, boss.
Only right there.
Then, pairam ako ng power bank. Hurry up, hurry up. We're hungry.
Paano here?
Then, pairam ako ng power bank mo. Go on that side, girl. Then, where did you buy it? Then, pairam ako ng power bank mo. Ha?
Dollar store.
Dollar.
Dollar store.
Ay,
$1.
picture din po kami.
Dollar Brahma. Anong drinks na gusto mo? Why, right? Anong drinks? What you buy mo? Canada Dry,
Yun.
ST, go with Coke. Kayo po.
You drum.
What drink
What drinks you want?
Water.
Water? Ay.
Wow. Go lang.
Doon na sa Denzel.
Table.
Denzel.
Yeah.
Diyan mo na paupuin. Kasi ano, diyan, dito ka.
Ha?
Diyan mo na paupuin. Para...
Ay, pa-picture po si Kuya. Thank you po. Okay.
Face, I mean.
Denzel, don't be shy. Eat more.
I'll eat food.
You finish the all foods.
Hello, did you see it? Forget it? This is my size.
Wala pa rin take out dito, no? Sayang. Oo. Sige, try natin.
Guys, it's okay.
Oh, bread stuff. Yeah, okay.
Will like that?
Okay.
Ito, sayang. May posit pa din.
Hello. Konnichiwa.
Uy, Nicole. Busog ka na, hindi ka na...
Ito pa rin, guwapo pa rin. Okay, let's go. Continuation. Sana. Kaya naman to.